Hi guys, overlook this mess. I'm not feeling very good today, but I do have a DIY to do. I have water bottles that I got from AC Moore. They were on sale. I got two different colors. This pinky purpley one, really springy, really cute. It is plastic. Says it's Nicole's Kitchen. A homemade goodness. Hopefully you can see that. So these came from AC Moore. So I got this greenish blue one and then this pinkish purpley one. And they had this stainless steel top to them. Really nice wide mouth. So I thought these would be good for water bottles. So I also have stuff to decorate them with. It's going to be a really simple DIY, guys. And just go through some of the stuff that we have. I got these stickers. They were $1 a piece at AC Moore. I got these stickers because how cute. I mean, it's Chip and Dale, right? And then I got these stickers, which are just the alphabet. And we're going to see what we can come up with. So stay tuned, and we will be making some water bottles. Alright, so obviously the pinky purple ones are for the girls, and then the bluey green ones are for the boys. So we're going to do this one first and see what we can come up with. Overlook my background. It is my bedroom and we are going through a reno process, but I really don't feel good today, so it's kind of on the back burner at the moment. And so yeah. See if we can get this on here without breaking things apart. Okay. It's easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, and they're super sticky, so I really like these. Very nice. A bit of bling. So yeah, hopefully you can see that. How cute! You can have your own personalized water bottles. And I kind of like this one because it is like 3D. You can see this. It is 3D. It sticks up off there. See? A little bit of a profile. So I do like that up out of the way because you know you're going to be gripping the water bottle down here. These ones are not 3D, so that's no big deal, but I do like that one up out of the way a little bit. What do you think? Straight or cockeyed? Kind of like it a little cockeyed. Gives a little character. Accidentally on purpose. Haha. And then they've got all these little nuts and leaves and curly cues and things that you can decorate with also. Or you could put another character on there if you want. There you go. What do you guys think? Super cute, right? One down, few to go. So this one we're gonna use these letters. And again, I got these from AC Moore. I believe these were $1.99 for all of these. And these were, I wanna say, well, if I can find the receipt, I'll tell you how much the Chippendales were. These were $1.99 also. Oh, I'm sorry, these were $1.49 for the alphabet. So, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do this one. And it's gonna be almost a mirrored image to this. So, we'll open these other ones so we can get that sticker off there. This would be a good project if, you know, you have kids or whatever. It's an easy project. There's nothing hot for you to worry about. Little hands getting into. It's just peel and stick. So super cute. And then they can make their own water bottle. How cute. I really like the Chippendale. Okay, so we got Chippendale on there, and now we're gonna take the alphabet and put the name on there. I don't know if we're gonna do a cockeyed name, or if we're gonna do straight across name, or up and down name, or how we wanna do it. These are not 3D, these are just plain Jane, low profile stickers, so we could put these pretty much anywhere we wanna put them on here. So, let's just kind of play with it and see where they go. And this is a little bit of a script, so it's kind of cursive-y. Alright, where's the little Y? Do you see it? Leave me a message down in the bottom because it's eluding me. Ah, there it is. Found it. If you guessed beside the capital R, you were right. Alright, so... looks backwards in the thing, but it says Gary. How cute! Let me get some solid back here so you can see it better. There we go, look how cute! Alright, so there's those two water bottles, and then we're going to throw together a couple more. So here are the finished products. And I think they turned out really cute. So I'll let Sammy do hers. She got her S on there, so pretty. And then she's got 4 Chips and Dales. And then it's going to go craziness. And then up around the collar, she's got her little, I'll show it. Nope, not gonna show it. Anyway, it's the little red circles inside the circle, like a bullseye type thing. No, I'm sorry, that one is a spiral. Maybe you can see that there. Anyway, she's got 2 of those and then 2 leaves right across from it. So there's Sammy's. And I didn't have enough of the little A's, so I did Logie instead of Logan. But he's got 4 Chippendales. A couple of the spirals and a couple leaves on his. And then here's Gary's. And then down at the bottom it says Chippendale with a Dale and a chip. And then on Corey's, I used all capital letters on his because I didn't have another little Y, so, and plus I didn't have another little R, so next time I do these, I think I'll have to get a couple packs of the lettering, but overall, I think these turned out really, really cute. And then on mine, I have Chippendale with a couple different Chippendales. Kind of like them, they look fun. And then I got my Bling up top with the 2 little curly cues and a nut on the top, and Chippendale is resting, getting ready to chomp into that walnut on the bottom. I thought it was super cute, and yeah. So these bottles were $2.50 on sale at AC Moore. The stickers were $1.99 per pack. I got 2 packs, and these stickers were $1 a piece, and then the lettering was $1.49 for that 1 pack. So overall, per water bottle, you're paying less than $3.50 a bottle, and well, except for mine and Sammy's, ours would be closer to $4 a bottle. But overall, these are super, super cute and price effective. If you're going to do like a birthday party and you want to give out souvenirs for the kids, this would be a great craft project for them at the birthday party. Or if you're going to the parks, this would be good to take with you for some drinks while you're in the park. These are not glass, so these can go in the parks. And so yeah, thought these were super cute, and I hope you guys make some. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Facebook at Life in Almost Heaven and on Twitter at Life Almost. And yeah, I'd like to see what you can come up with. Hope you guys are enjoying your day, and talk to you soon. Bye.